So we're gonna use 2 LEDs, 220 resistors, and our jump wires for hardware. So it's pretty simple, it's the same as we did the last time. So just remember, it has 2 legs, one longer than the other. The longer is the positive, it goes directly to the pin. So just place over here. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. I'm gonna do here, and this one over here. Okay, so we need to put the resistors. So the resistors is going to the positive, which is the first one. The same as the other one is going to the first leg. There we go, as you can see. Okay, so I have the negative just over here, as you can see over here. So I'm gonna take this negative signal. Sorry guys, I like to use the black wire for ground, but in this I don't have any more black, so I'm gonna use yellow instead. Should be careful not to be touching with the resistor, otherwise we have a short circuit. And I have to do the same for the other one. So I'm gonna put this over here and then over here. Okay, so the ground goes here and then to the other LED. We're gonna be using pin 10 and pin 9 as the output for our, so here 8, 9, 10, that's 10. It's gonna go for the first LED, just behind the resistor. And 9 is gonna go to the second LED, just behind the resistor. Just make sure everything's fine, nothing's gonna hurt our board. Okay. Const int LED 1 equal to pin 10 and const int LED 2 equal to 9. So pin 10 and pin 9 will be used as output. You guys already know how to do it, so but I'm gonna do anyway. So it's spin mode LED 1 output and pin mode LED 2 output. So there we go. For the setup, everything is done. Now we're gonna go for the inside loop. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to read the port value, which we are already doing here. I highlighted. Also print its value, so it's fine. Calculate the voltage. For this tutorial we don't need, so we can skip all this code here. We do want to read the switch or the button, so I keep this. I also keep the printout. The delay we don't need anymore, so we can delete it. It will have a little delay on the other code, so it's fine. Okay, so how do we detect that the button is being pressed? It's easy. It's a loop. It's called a loop condition. So it's a condition. So it's if switch value equal to 1, So we want to put the first LED on, so it's high. Okay, and to turn it off, it's else. Not to turn it off, but when it will start, when it start, it's gonna go off. So LED 1 low. Okay, so if it's pressed, it's gonna be on. If it's not pressed, it's gonna be off. Okay, so now we need to blink the LED according to the value of the value from the potentiometer. Okay, but first I'm gonna show you a little tweak. So just put your cursor on the digital read switch pin, press enter, and put int output value equal to map. I'm gonna explain this in a second. The pot value 0, 1023 and 0 to 100. Okay, so what am I doing here? I'm translating this this range from 0 to 1023 to 0 and 100. So it will get like the equal percentage. So when it gets to the maximum, it's gonna be 1023 and 100. Actually gonna be 100 because this is the new value I want. I want on the range between 0 to 100. So this is how we declare a new range. Okay, so we've done this, and I also want to print to the serial. I still want to print out this value. So put here output value serial dot print output value, sorry. So there we go. So far we have everything fine. So let's go back to the end where I put the if. So now we want to blink the light as fast as possible until it goes off and until it stay high or stay on. So to stay on, it's if output value equal to 0, digital write LED to low. Oh wait, just wait 1 second. I'm wrong. I'm really sorry. So if output value is greater than 98, digital write LED to high. There we go. That's the right code. Else digital write LED to high we also gonna put a delay. So now it will come the delay. Output value, digital, right, LED to low, delay 100 minus output value. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain what's going on. So over here, when the output value gets greater than 98, so it's gonna go, we're gonna put the LED 2 on and stay on. If it's less than 98, including 98, it's gonna come here on this block over here, which is gonna put the light on, make a little delay, put off, and put a little delay. Okay, so this is how we do it. Let's check as for error. So just hit verify. Oh, and I do have error. Output on line 37. Okay, there we go. It's output. I missed a T. Verify again. Let's do one more. Let me check. There we go. This is over here. Let's check. And it's done. Okay, so we're good to go. Let's save it. Save as link. I already have, so I'm gonna overwrite. There we go. And now we're gonna upload this code to our Arduino. So just hit the upload, and we're gonna watch on the server monitor all the values we were printing. There we go. As you can see, 0. When you press the button, you see the button state is changing, and when I turn, also it changes. You see the output value changes, also the port value, and there we go. There you go, guys. This is a really simple thing to do, and this is how you control a LED through a potentiometer or through. Okay, guys, so here I'm gonna show you everything working. So as I said, when I press this button here, this LED has to go on. So you press and keep pressed, because if you do just like this, you're just gonna blink really fast. So you keep pressing. So as you see, this LED will go on. And over here, as you can see, you're gonna go really fast until it stops. And then when I turn back, it's gonna do the same. And then switch off, switch on, switch off. You can even do both same time. You see, guys, this is how we work with input and output. And in real world, you can, for example, you can read a temperature, the temperature of the room, and when it goes below, let's say 19 degree, the heating go on, or when it goes over 30, the air conditioning go on. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching.